Hey everyone, if you're watching my channel for the first time, I am Sonal and I make videos on makeup, skincare and hair care. And for this video, I have done a very subtle base with a blue eyes and a glowy skin. For this kind of makeup look, let's begin. I would love to start with first skincare and I am using this L'Oreal Micro Essence. This is an amazing product. I have a separate video on these two products. Please do check. You're gonna love the skincare. And now moving further, I'm gonna use this serum from L'Oreal again. This is a beautiful serum. This has got 1.5% of hyaluronic acid, which moisturizes your skin in two layers and gives you a beautiful glow. Guys, if you all don't know, then skincare is very important before makeup. So never skip your skincare. And now moving further, I'm gonna use this Neutrogena sunscreen. Never skip a sunscreen if it is a daytime, and you all know that I love this sunscreen and I have used on many of my videos. And just applying a very thin layer of this sunscreen, as this has got SPF 50 plus and it is ultra light and the skin feels really clean, soft and smooth. And also this sunscreen is waterproof. And now to prime my face, I'm going to use this Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. And this is an amazing basic silicone primer which is really good and also blurs your pores and also mattifies the foundation. So it is basic, nice and good. Otherwise, I also love the Color Bar one. So y'all can check. I have a separate video on that too. Foundation, I'm gonna use this Lakme Mousse foundation. This is a very beautiful foundation, especially for the girls who doesn't know how to apply foundation. This makes the job very easy because you just have to spread it with your fingers, and you all can already see this has got a very medium to full coverage. So you all can build it up as you want. You don't need brushes or any beauty blender to spread this. Your fingers is just enough. This foundation feels really soft on skin, and the best part is any skin type can use this. And now just to set that, you actually don't need to set this foundation, but in case you are oily or combination, you just have to set it very lightly with any of your compact. And now you all can see our base is all ready. I'm going to use this eyebrow palette from Wet n Wild. This is my most favorite eyebrow palette. I also have a video on this. You all can have a check. I will surely leave the link. And now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Profusion Cosmetics Paradise. This palette has 35 shades and it is a pro pigmented palette. And you all can see it is got all the shades what we need. And now I'm just gonna pick two of the brown shades from this palette and contour my face. And yes, today I'm just gonna use this one palette and complete the entire look. And now I'm just gonna blend it all well with PAC brush. If you're watching me from long time, you all already know that I love contouring my face. It makes your face look so much more defined and also lifts your features so well. I'm sure you must be a makeup lover if you're watching my videos, or a skincare lover. But guys, if you all want to learn anything in specific like how to contour or just highlight or a perfect base, please do comment regarding any kind of makeup and skincare. And after all guys, I am here just to share my knowledge on makeup and skincare. So please don't feel shy, you all can comment and I would definitely help you all. And now I'm gonna use the peachish color from the same palette and I'm gonna use it as blush. And you all can see it is giving me a beautiful flesh color. And guys, one eyeshadow palette is just enough. You need not buy different products for different uses. Just one palette is enough if you have all the shades in it, and the palette should be pigmented. If you are a beginner and just learning makeup, guys, one eyeshadow palette is enough, and that is why I have created this video. And now using this blue color, I'm going to draw a wing liner. And you all can see that this palette is super pigmented. I just had to touch it once and the color is on my eyelid. Very important is please don't pick the product at once. Slowly you can build it up as required. So once for all, just don't deposit the product. Slowly just keep on building, and that is how you're gonna achieve a very flawless look. Y'all can see I am slowly building up the color. Guys, I'm telling you all this because sometimes what happens is when you pick too much of product, then it is very difficult to lighten or reduce it. But picking up product slowly gives you that perfect shade what you desire. And now just cleaning the fallouts once. And here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use little bit of concealer to get that proper wing, and everything looks very clean. You all can see the wing is showing up and also looks really clean. I had used blue today as my dress was blue, but you all can use any shade what you like to, and you can still achieve the same look. And now to curl my lashes, I'm using this Vega curler. And guys, if you are not used to it, please don't touch this. And if you want to learn how to curl your lashes, please do comment. I would definitely make a separate video on this. And now for the mascara, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Mega Length Waterproof Mascara. Guys, this mascara is so beautiful, so amazing. Please do check different videos on this mascara. You will be shocked seeing the result, because this actually separates, curls, lengthens, and a beautiful, beautiful mascara. And yes guys, while applying mascara, there is always, or by mistake it happens that you touch your skin, then there's nothing to worry. Just let it dry for a few seconds and then use a earbud and just clean it. It's gonna get off at once, you all can see. And now just to give that more lifted look, and I didn't wanted to use falsies today, I'm gonna use this Essence mascara. This is again one of my most favorite mascara. You all can see this looks very beautiful, fulls your lashes and gives lot of length, volume, and you all can see it is looking so beautiful. And now using this blue color as my kajal today, you all can see this is a very vibrant blue, looks very beautiful, and I love the shade so much. You all can see the difference in both the eyes. It is super pigmented and I have applied it really nicely and just blending it with my finger. You all can see the color, it looks beautiful. And especially for the day look, it looks amazing. And now I'm gonna use this shade as a highlight, as this is a very champagne kind of shade, and you all can see it is super pigmented, very soft, and looks very beautiful as a highlight. Can you all see that glow? With this, I want to show you all that any kind of shimmer shade in your eyeshadow palette will help you to use as a highlighter. And you all can already see this is a very beautiful, it feels like skin but gives you a lot of glow. It has no chunky glitters. I love to highlight. And yes guys, if you are wondering, she always tells that she loves this, she loves that. Okay, overall I love makeup and I love the glow what it's giving me right now. It's just like a water finish. And now I'm going to use these two lip liners from the brand Nykaa. This is in the shade Pillow Fight. I'm just going to line my lips first. I'm not going to use the other lip pencil as I wanted my overall look to be in peach. So I'm just using all the peach shades. And now for the lipstick, I'm wondering should I use the Huda one or the Nykaa one, or I have both these shades from Nykaa Ultra Matte. This shade is Netfitty or Netfertiti. I will just leave the link and you all can check. And this is giving a perfect orangish peach. As you all can see, my dress has few orange or peach lines on it. And overall this lipstick looks really nice. And yes, moving further, guys, can you all see this glow? I am loving this glow. I did not expect that eyeshadow to look so good. This is all because when the quality of the eyeshadow palette is good, you can really create any kind of look with just one eyeshadow palette. And yes, with this, I complete my today's look. And guys, instead of blue, you all can use any kind of shade what you like to according to your dress. And this is the final finish and this is the final look. And I hope this video was helpful. And guys, coming to the hairstyles, I am really bad at my hairstyles. So I usually do is I just tie a knot. I like it this way because I am a fan of Karina and I like the way she ties her bun. Also Deepika and many more actresses. So it is, after all, the way you like it, you can make your hairstyles. Guys, I would love to teach you all makeup, all about skincare and hair care, and for that we need to be friends. So please do subscribe, like and share my channel to your friends and family. And yes, please don't forget to give lovely comments if you like the video. See you all soon in my next video. I hope this video was helpful. Bye bye.